Okay, so, hello, today, I'll be taking on Cheren, a gym leader, and I'm totally gonna die. So, Josh, beat the two trainers, seems like pretty easy, so, please don't let me die, please, 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 ah! Gosh. Just as this is your first gym challenge, this is my first battle as a gym leader. Let's both do our best and have a battle we can be proud of. Oh my gosh. Cheren, you're awesome, Cheren. I'm gonna die. Yep, I'm definitely gonna die. You can all watch me fail. Oh boy. I'm dead. Totally dead. Just not move. I see you'll be a powerful opponent. Uh-huh. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. I'm totally gonna die. Oh boy, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. No, it didn't look. Gym leader. I am to be a wolf. Here we come. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. No, 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 no. I don't care. I am going to die. Yep, I'm dead. Maybe I won't. Unless it knows bite. Please don't let it know bite. And it knows bite! So yeah, you guys can all watch me fail. Oh boy. I'm dead. I'm totally dead. Yeah, you guys can all watch me fail here. Please be a really powerful move. Yeah, I'm gonna lose. It's all up to you, Dot. Totally gonna lose. Yep. Okay, I guess I need to train some more. So this will not even be going on YouTube.